The scope was basically to swap out all of the existing high pressure and low pressure fixtures to LED, both historical as well as the streets. And if possible, to include controls to further enhance the energy savings and the ability to control their assets better. In 12 months, they went from testing and evaluation into implementation. So it was very efficient and a very effective way to deliver this type of project for the city.
I was taught a long time ago that good lighting is never seen. Okay, and the uniformity on the LEDs was probably the most impressive thing that really got to me on the LEDs as far as for roadway lighting. Once we start seeing the uniformity, we realized we could actually reduce the amount of light we needed on the road, and that really helped us out. So as far as color rendition, uniformity, and also the energy savings was the other portion of it that we were looking at. Tucson has always been an area that has always liked the stars. We're also surrounded by other observatories. There's some up on Mount Lemmon, there's some on Mount Graham. We pride ourselves in being able to help that community, the observatory community, because we know they bring in a lot of not only funds, but they also bring in tourists and recognition. So we like to keep them happy as much as possible. We actually exceeded the requirements of our lighting code, and that seemed to really help, along with the prospect of dimming the luminaires.
Well, initially there were concerns from all aspects, from city government to citizenry concerning the effect an LED light might have on the astronomical community, which provides a big economic impact not only to Tucson but to the state of Arizona. So there was a level of concern to protect that interest. Through a combination of including the IDA into the process of determining what the best color temperatures may be, and through support from the external engineering support that the city brought in, we just formed a lighting team and arrived at a conclusion of what to use to actually implement this lighting system, providing first and foremost a safe environment for the people of Tucson, and as well as an energy savings component.
The roam system is really valuable in that you can go in and pull almost any kind of data that you want out of it.
With the roam and giving that capabilities, it also gives us opportunities also to monitor the luminaires, which is a really great asset for us. I mean, we'll get a phone call and say, hey, this light is out. I can go right onto the computer and say, wait a minute, no, it's not. Or turn around and say, oh, yep, it's been out for 2 or 3 days. And then being able to get somebody out there. Not only can we also look at whether it's on or off, we can look at consumption, whether it has power, or what type of program it has going through it.
Well, going forward, the city of Tucson has a system that has brand new lights with a projected life expectancy of over 20 years. It's a white light. They have better uniformity, better luminance levels on the streets. They also have a control system that will not only benefit them right now, but also position them for the future. And who knows what the future has for us.